Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start as wing attack by immediately creating a playing lane, get into your ready stance with knees bent, and wait forward so you can explode. Once positioned, scan quickly for the ball and opponent gaps. Call for the pass and use small, sharp fakes to test defenders. Make sure to angle your body to receive and move the ball toward the circle. You're establishing rhythm, keep communication crisp so teammates know you're the next option and can feed the circle. You now focus on timing and the type of feed. Practice 1-2 step leads into space, aiming chest high for clean catches. Once done, read your center and goal attack movement so you deliver the correct inside or outside option. Change angle when the defender overcommits. Make sure to use quick hands and low, flat passes to avoid intercepts and vary speed to disrupt marking. You must link midcourt to circle with predictable runs and unpredictable beats to create scoring chances. You finish by committing to a sharp feed into the goal third or a controlled switch to reset possession. Pick the higher percentage option depending on defender pressure. After the pass, recover immediately, drop into defensive support lanes and be ready for rebound or turnover. If things go wrong, diagnose, were your leads telegraphed or depth wrong? If so, adjust depth, use double movement decoys, and reset timing with your shooter. With consistent correction, your influence on attack stabilizes and becomes harder to mark.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.